How to save $10,000 in a year. Simple money tips. Do you ever feel like saving money is impossible? You start with good intentions, but by the end of the month, your paycheck just seems to vanish? Well, you're not alone. The good news is that saving $10,000 in a year is totally achievable, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, even if you're on a tight budget. In this video, we're breaking down simple, practical strategies that anyone can use to reach their savings goal without feeling deprived. Make sure to stick around till the end, because the last tip could double your savings. Let's get started. Number 1. Break it down into smaller goals. Saving $10,000 might sound overwhelming, but when you break it down, it becomes much easier. $833 per month, $192 per week, $27 per day. Instead of focusing on the big number, think about daily and weekly goals. This makes it feel much more manageable. Number 2, automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save money is to set it and forget it. Use these methods to make saving effortless. Direct deposit. Have a portion of your paycheck automatically sent to a savings account. Round up apps. Apps like Acorns or Chime. Round up your purchases and save the extra change. Auto transfers. Set up a recurring transfer of $200 plus per paycheck to your savings account. If you never see the money, you won't be tempted to spend it. Number 3, cut out unnecessary expenses. Most of us are spending money on things we don't really need. Take a look at your bank statements and find areas to cut back. Cancel unused subscriptions. Streaming services, gym memberships, and delivery apps add up. Limit dining out. Cooking at home can save you hundreds per month. Avoid impulse shopping. Use the 24-hour rule before making non-essential purchases. Small savings here and there can add up big time over a year. Number 4, use the 50-30-20 budget rule. A simple budgeting method to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, rent, groceries, utilities, 30% wants, entertainment, dining out, shopping, 20% savings and debt. Put this towards your savings goal. If you can shift even 5 to 10% more from your wants into savings, you'll hit your goal much faster. Number 5, find a side hustle. Want to boost your savings without cutting back? Make extra money. Freelancing, writing, graphic design, or virtual assisting. Selling stuff, declutter, and sell things you don't use. Driving for Uber, Lyft, a few hours a week can add up fast. Online surveys and gigs, websites like Fiverr or Upwork can bring in extra cash. Even making $200 extra per month from a side hustle gets you almost 25% of the way to your savings goal. Number 6, use the cash envelope system. If you struggle with overspending, try using cash instead of cards. Withdraw a set amount for expenses like groceries and entertainment. Once the cash is gone, you stop spending. This old school trick helps you stay disciplined and avoid swiping your card mindlessly. Number 7, negotiate your bills. You'd be surprised how much you can save just by asking. Call your providers and negotiate lower rates for internet and phone bills. Many companies offer discounts if you ask. Car insurance, shop around and compare rates. Credit card interest rates. Lowering your APR can save you big money. Even saving $50 per month on bills adds up to $600 per year. Number 8, try a no-spend challenge. Challenge yourself to a no-spend week or month where you only pay for essentials. No eating out, no shopping. Just focus on needs only. Many people save hundreds in just a month doing this. Plus, it resets your mindset on spending. Number 9, invest your savings. Instead of letting your money sit in a low-interest account, put it to work. High-yield savings account. Earn more interest on your savings. Invest in ETFs or index funds. Your money grows over time. Use a money market account, a safe way to earn passive income. The earlier you start, the more your money multiplies. Number 10, use cash back and rewards apps. Why pay full price when you can get money back? Rakuten and Honey. Earn cash back on online shopping. Ibotta. Save money on groceries. Credit card rewards. Use them wisely for extra savings. Using these apps strategically can put hundreds of dollars back into your pocket every year. Saving $10,000 in a year isn't just a dream. It's totally possible with small, consistent changes. Whether it's cutting unnecessary expenses, starting a side hustle, or using budgeting tricks, you can take control of your money starting today. Which tip are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-saving tip. Check out the next video on your screen for even more ways to grow your wealth. See you in the next one.